Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to save items in the shop app and then find them later. This is super useful if you want to create a wish list or keep track of products for future purchases. So let's dive in. First, open the shop app and use the search icon at the bottom. And here you can actually browse the items, but for now I'll just simply go with these. When you see an item and you like it, tap the heart icon next to it. This will save the item to your account so you can easily find it later. You can save multiple items while browsing without worrying about losing them. Now, how to find saved items? Tap on this profile icon at the top right. And here you can see all the items you previously saved. Tap on it. And simply tap on any product to view more details, add it to your cart or remove it from your saved list. You can organize your saved items by priority or keep them as a wish list. It's perfect for planning future purchases or comparing products before buying. And that's it. Now you know how to save items in the shop app and find them whenever you want. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.